Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to join a make-along on GoSadi. There's two ways to join a make-along. It's free to join. You can join any make-along you want with the free version, the Lindy level, or any of the paid subscriptions. So the first way is if you got a link from a designer or a make-along organizer, it's going to take you right to this screen to create an account. You would click create an account right there, go through the process. You could pick any level, like I mentioned, create your account, and then it'll take you right to the make-along screen. The second way is if you have an account, and then you would log in, and this is what it would look like if you got the invitation. You're invited to join the make-along. You could choose to join it or not right now. It tells you the starting date, who invited you, and the duration of the make-along. I'm going to choose not right now so I can show you the other features. The other way to join a make-along is once you have an account, you go to the community area, which is right here on the left menu, and you'll see under Discover are all the make-alongs you can join. Right now we have 2 upcoming make-alongs and the demo that I'm using to show you today. You can check out the make-alongs, click through them, see what they say, see everybody. Make-along to show you how to join. Once you pick the make-along, you hit join make-along. And it's just that simple. If it's a make-along that's open to the public, you'll be immediately approved to join. If it's a make-along that requires the host to approve entry, then you'll have your request submitted and be notified when you can join the make-along once they approve it. And once you're in, you'll get to see all of the posts and activity that are in the make-along and have some fun. You'll see your name added. See, this is Lindy. I just added me here. You can start the project. You can check out the pattern.